If you're stuck by yourself, let's say your car breaks down and you're worried that you're getting frostbitten, the most important thing to do is to find shelter, to remove any wet or cold clothing, take off any jewelry that might be constricting, put on loose, dry clothing, and then get to a hospital as soon as possible. The person with frostbite will start saying, I feel that it's numb, sometimes tingling, even itching or burning, and that the hand doesn't work very well, that it's a little bit clumsy. And in severe cases of superficial frostbite, you can even get clear blisters. Mild hypothermia is from 95 down to 89.6. First, you'll notice that a person is shivering, and that's because the body wants to use the muscles to create heat. But as the body gets colder, a person may become confused, maybe slurring their speech. They'll often be staggering or very, very clumsy. In some ways, it looks a little bit like a stroke.
If you must go outside, dress warmly. Wear several layers of loose-fitting, lightweight clothing rather than one layer of heavy clothing. The outer garments should be tightly woven and water-repellent. Mittens are warmer than gloves. Wear a hat. Most body heat is lost through the top of the head. Cover your mouth with a clean scarf to protect your lungs from cold air.